A very good morning to you all. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing well at home. I, Mrs. Bandana Singh, your English teacher, welcome you back in English class. Before we'll start today's topic, I would like to ask you, do you speak English? And your answer is supposed to be yes. Yes, make a habit to speak English, and I always advise you to speak English at home. Okay, so start to speak English. Today we are starting a chapter from the book Supplementary Reader. The name of the book is A Pact with Sun. It's chapter number 8, A Pact with Sun. So don't confuse the name of the book and the name of the lesson is same. The name of the book is A Pact with the Sun and lesson number 8 is also A Pact with the Sun. Means the name of the book is based on this same chapter. So this is a picture from the story we are going to study. You can guess what we are going to study in this lesson. So can you guess? Try to imagine what is the content of the lesson. See, one lady is laying down. A doctor is also there. A small girl is there. So it's very interesting story and it's a moral story also. Okay, A Pact with the Sun. So before we'll start the chapter, we should know the meaning of pact. We know sun means sun, from where we get light and energy. So what is the meaning of pact? Do you know the meaning? So pact means agreement, a formal agreement. When two people or two friends having any kind of agreement, that is called pact. So in this story also we are going to see a pact. So we'll go ahead and we'll see which kind of pact is there in this chapter. The main character of this lesson is Sida. Okay, Sida's mother had been sick for a long time. She met many doctors but none of them cured her. One day she fell critically ill and sold everything they had to meet an expert doctor. Sida was very worried. Okay, Sida is a small girl around 8 to 10 years and her mother is not well. So she was not getting good doctor and she was not getting cured. Because of that, Sida was very much worried. So they have to sold their all the property or whichever valuable things they had to meet an expert doctor. See what happened? The expert doctor gave her costly medicine. He also advised her to eat whatever she liked. Okay, because what happened earlier, which doctor were coming, they were advising her not to eat this, not to eat that, don't go out like that. But finally they met an expert doctor and he advised that she can eat whatever she liked to eat. Use a bigger room with doors and windows open and sit in the sunshine for an hour every day. Okay, doctor has advised like her to sit in sunlight for an hour every day. Okay, so what happened next? You can see, but the next few days the sky was very cloudy. Okay, there was no sunshine at all. All were unhappy, especially Sida's mother. Okay, so hope you could understand what is the main point in the lesson is that Sida's mother is not well. Okay, and they met an expert doctor and he advised her to eat everything, and the main thing he advised that she should sit in sunlight. Okay, she should take sun bath. But what happened? Sun was not there for so many days. It was cloudy. As everyone was worried, Sida was also worried. Even she is so small, but still she was very worried. She spoke to the last sun rays that evening. Okay, when sun rays were there in evening, she spoke with them. Dear sister, do come tomorrow with lots of warmth and brightness. My mother is ill and needs your help. Okay, she is requesting to sun rays. She is talking with them and requesting them to come tomorrow because her mother needs warmth and because her mother want warmth and sun rays. That's why she said to sun rays, come tomorrow with lots of warmth and brightness. My mother is ill and needs your help. The sun rays promised to come. See, the sun rays promised her. This is only the pact. Pact means she requested and sun rays promised. The next morning too, it was very cloudy. The sun asked them to stay at home. Okay, next day also that was very cloudy and the sun asked to Sunrays to be at home only. But what happened? What Sunrays said? Sunrays said, no sir. All the Sunrays shouted, no sir. We have given our word to Sita. Given word means they have promised to Sita. If we don't go, they will call us liars. Okay, so Sunrays said that if we'll not go, people will call us liars. So we have to go. Then the sun agreed. They rushed to earth. Rush means they went fast. Sita shouted, and by seeing them, Sita shouted, Amma, Amma, the sun is here. Okay, because that time the sun was like a hope, because the sky was cloudy. So as per agreement, as per the promise of the Sunrays, they came down, and by seeing them, Sita was very happy and she shouted, Amma, Amma, Sunrays are here. The old lady was very happy. She soaked the sunlight and lung full of fresh air and felt better. Sita was very happy. Okay, this is the story. The remaining part we'll discuss in our Zoom class. I'll explain in detail whatever points are given in the book, because it's a summary only. Okay, in very short I told you what is there in the lesson, because there are so many more points are there, what happened in between, what discussion was there in between the sun and Sunrays, then what happened when Sunrays came down and how they talked with Sita, when what all they discussed. These all points we'll discuss in our Zoom class. So before that, I request you all to read the lesson so that it will become easy for you, and at the same time we are going to discuss question answers also. So we are going to meet in our Zoom class. Okay, so see you soon. Bye. Have a nice day.